Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your affiliate compliance with ClickSure detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure your affiliate compliance with ClickSure, begin by creating your ClickSure account. Visit the ClickSure website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and desired password. Once your account is created, log in to access the affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available features. Next, review ClickSure's compliance guidelines thoroughly. Ensure you understand what constitutes acceptable and unacceptable promotion methods. Check for any specific rules related to your niche or industry. Once you are aware of the guidelines, proceed to select the offers you wish to promote. Navigate to the Offers section and browse through the available campaigns. Filter the offers based on your target audience and marketing strategy. Once you find a suitable offer, click on it to access detailed information. Take note of the promotional materials provided by ClickSure for that offer. Utilize these materials to ensure you're adhering to ClickSure's standards. Create engaging content around the offer while following compliance guidelines. Be transparent about your affiliate partnership in all your promotions. Include disclaimers where necessary to inform your audience about your affiliate relationship. Regularly monitor your marketing channels to ensure compliance in real time. If you use social media, establish a consistent posting schedule that aligns with your strategies. Engage with your audience and respond to any inquiries about the offer. Review your campaigns periodically to assess compliance status. If you identify any non-compliant practices, make necessary adjustments immediately. Consider seeking advice from experienced affiliates if unsure about compliance issues. Stay updated on any changes to ClickSure's compliance guidelines. Check the ClickSure blog or forum for the latest updates and best practices. Establish a system for keeping records of your promotions and communications. Set notifications for any potential warnings or compliance alerts from ClickSure. Getting feedback from your audience can also help enhance your compliance strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.